Hi, this is Mason Nichols, graduate student in the Brian Lamb School of Communication at Purdue University, and today I'm going to be offering you a short video on how to install Clicky, a web analytics software, to your personal website. Clicky is an alternative to Google Analytics, which is currently the most popular and widely used web analytics software available. However, Clicky prides itself on its ability to provide users with a simple and easy-to-use interface. Rather than showing you how to sign up directly for Clicky, I will show you how to get to the website and then install the tracking code which is necessary to begin implementation of the software. First off, we will go to www.getclicky.com, and registration is a fairly straightforward, simple process. You will just click on the register button above, at which point you'll fill out some basic fields as you would for any other registration page for any other service on the internet. Once you are done with that, you will be able to log in, which I'm going to do here. And once you are logged in, you will be able to actually implement the tracking code to your personal web page. And the way that you do this is you select the website that you have created. In my case, this is the Bear blog. I am then presented with the dashboard, which you will be able to see once you have actually put the tracking code into your website. But once you get to this point, there's a top-level menu at which there is a Preferences link. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Preferences link. And then beneath that, there is a new sub-menu where I can click Tracking Code. Once I click on Tracking Code, I'm provided with the code that I need to paste into my web page that will allow the software to function correctly. So it is simply a matter of clicking inside the box, and then right-clicking and selecting Copy, or hitting Control-C on your keyboard, whichever works better for you. And once that information is copied to your clipboard, you'll want to open the file associated with the web page that you wish to use. In this case, I have an index.html file open in Notepad. And I'm going to personally put it at the bottom of my page because it does install an image by default with the tracking software. So find the spot at which you would like to include the tracking code and the image as well, and then just go ahead and paste that code into your page. Once that is pasted, save your file. So File, Save in this case, or Control-S, whatever is easiest for you. And when you are done with that, go ahead and use whatever method you use to update your website's files. In this case, I have an FTP program open, so I'm just going to go ahead and upload the file. And once that information is finished uploading, you will go ahead and access your page as normal. So in this case, I have my page at web.ics.purdue.edu, then my username, followed by a couple of other subfolders. And now when I visit that page, I intended for it to be at the bottom of the page, so I just scroll down to ensure that that code is there and working, and it is, because we see the Get Clicky image there at the bottom of the page. Once this is done, you are completely done. However, there is an important note to consider, and that is that this code must actually be present on all of the pages of your website to track each individual page. So it would probably be wise to go ahead and include some sort of common file from which you can go ahead and add this to your web page, such as using SSI. In this case, you don't have to actually change each and every individual page, but rather maybe a footer file that you happen to include. Once you are done implementing the code onto your web page in the way that works best for you, you're completely done. You can go back to your Clicky account and view the dashboard, from which there is several website statistics available and further information included therein. This concludes the video on how to install Clicky, a web analytics software, to your personal website.